It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Friday, the 21st of December. I'm Michael Groff. It's the winter solstice, but it'll feel anything like that today with temperatures above average despite plenty of clouds around. Weekend looks pretty good too. Temperatures remain above average, but by Christmas, the weather pattern begins to change. We'll talk about that and everything else with our weather as well as we take a look at the almanac from yesterday. 75 for the high, 43 the morning low. And outside right now here just after 7 a.m., mostly cloudy skies starting out at 52 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 35. Humidity 54%, wind from the southeast at 9, barometer 29.99 and rising. Temperatures around the area this morning much warmer than yesterday, a lot of 40s and 50s as opposed to the 30s we were seeing around here. And across the nation, out ahead of that cold front on the East Coast, it's very warm this morning. Philadelphia in the 60s. Meanwhile, single digits and teens for the Dakotas and Minnesota. The upper look, there's our old U-shaped trough there. A very vigorous system over the southeastern states. And that brought some severe weather to parts of Florida yesterday. And here in the southwest, a flat ridge, but with clouds increasing. The watch warning map, most of the action for the east. Flood watches, winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings for the northeast. Wind advisories from Florida up through the middle Atlantic coast. Severe weather outlook for today. No organized areas of severe storms across the contiguous United States. And precipitation valid through next Friday morning here for the southwest states. Well, maybe some very light rain here for the valley. Heavier totals, at least slightly, north and east of us. Much of that will come next week as we see an unsettled weather pattern develop. And we'll get into the details of that now as we check out the models. Here we go. The GFS, the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock this afternoon. There's our ridge flattening out, westerly flow, clouds on the increase down at the surface today. We'll call it mostly cloudy. Highs upper 60s, low 70s. Tonight, mostly cloudy skies, lows 40s to low 50s. And then tomorrow, a mix of sun and clouds. I think we're going to see more sun tomorrow than today, certainly. High temperatures, low 70s. Same thing on Sunday, partly cloudy skies, low 70s. Monday, Christmas Eve, looks pretty nice too. Some clouds around, but we'll just call it mostly sunny with highs in the upper 60s to about 70. But here comes a trough digging into the west, and that's going to settle over us on Christmas Day. So it'll be cooler and breezy, mostly cloudy skies. A slight chance of showers through the day. Better chances of rain and mountain snows over northern and eastern Arizona. High temperatures in the low to middle 60s. Then on Wednesday, cool air continues to come in and will remain unsettled with at least a small chance of showers. Again, the best chances of precipitation, rain, and snow will be across northern Arizona. Highs might stay in the 50s all day on Wednesday and Thursday, too. It'll be chilly. And then check this out. A week from today, this is Friday, the 28th, the GFS has a very cold low over Arizona. That's the 540 line right over central Arizona. If that verifies, high temperatures likely to stay maybe in the low 50s, and the snow levels will be coming down. We could see some very chilly rain and certainly breezy conditions. Not sure about how much precipitation we get. The GFS is kind of trending dry as this is more of an overland system, but we'll see. Certainly a lot can change between now and then. Here's Saturday the 29th. That still looks cool and somewhat unsettled. And then this is the end of the 10-day forecast period, Sunday the 30th. And yes, it does appear that we're still in for a prolonged period of cooler weather. At some point next week, low temperatures likely getting down in the 30s. A few spots could see some frost. We'll just have to see how the moisture levels play out as well. All right, temperatures through the period coming off of the GFS ensemble. And I'll tell you what, I wouldn't be surprised to see some days cooler than what's shown here by late next week. Even so, this has got highs a little bit below normal and then trending up as we go into early 2019. Hard to believe we're already there. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here on Christmas Eve. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notifications. Plus, your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. Be safe out there, and you guys have yourselves a fantastic weekend.